Good afternoon, I'm Shlok Bhattacharya. So basically, I've developed a project which is based on the principle Li-Fi, that is light fidelity. So what we are doing is we are transmitting sound clippings via light. So there are a lot of advantages of this project, but we have developed this with a thought that this may help the blind people. So what happens is when the blind people maybe visit a museum or a public place, so what they like, they have to look physically for the braille and find the physical features by a stick or something. This will make that autonomous. So our thought is that here there would be recording. So we can record here also, that right now. Hello, this is Shlok Bhattacharya. So as you can see, there is a laser. You can see the laser dot, right? So this laser dot is fluctuating, and this fluctuation has all the information that is required to transmit that audio signal. Now here we have built a receiver, and there is no microcontroller or integrated circuits used. This Arduino is just to power this thing with a stable 5 volt. So when I point this laser at this power supply, at this solar panel, so basically I am transmitting the sound using light. Now the key advantages are that because we are using light, therefore practically we are transmitting sound at the speed of light. It is not technical, but it's practical use, and basically it can also be operated in vacuum. This was our project in this Instant India Science Fair 2026, and I feel extremely honored. I have gone and visited some of the projects. Every one of them is equally as good as the other, and it's extremely inspiring. One thing I would like to share is there are a lot of projects, but according to me, the main aspect that should be in every project is originality. That puts everything aside. That's what makes us different.